having problems with my shotgun mic, so right now I'm using the XML wired lav. Christmas presents after New Year's. This is from my niece. It says, to Uncle John from Tori, and instead of just drawing a happy face, she writes happy face on it. There, she is about 10 years old. Cute as hell. There, let's take this off, this tag. Oh, that's cute. All right, we're gonna sit him right, try to see him, sit him right there in between the drone. Speaking about drones, the last video was me showing you a little bit about it. And today is Saturday, and it is snowing so much. And it's really awesome, and it's really unfortunate that I'm not going to be able to film anything as of yet with the drone, but I'm still going to be able to go out and film some stuff. Hopefully, I can't really bring my nice camera out there because, you know, wetness and snow. Sure wish I had a camera. Like, if I was really, truly adventurous and I didn't care and I could afford to get another camera, I would bring this out. But this camera is it's very expensive, and it's also very expensive to clean it and fix it. We're going to be able to take our smartphones, and I'm going to be able to use the GoPro out there, going out and filming and getting a bunch of great footage, but I have to walk. I have to walk to where I'm going because A, I don't like driving in the snow. I don't like driving in general. Let's just be honest. No one really does, especially in the snow. And we live in a place where it would be awesome if there was no cars around and it was snowing like this. It would be the best place to snowboard down because it's so high up and it's such a double hill. When I say double hill, it's like it's going up and then it flattens out a little bit and then it goes up again and it flattens and it goes up. So it's kind of like a slalom. Is that how you call it? Changed my glasses. Those other ones were far too dark. I want to make sure that I'll be able to see it in low lighting. And of course I got this. This fits a whole lot better, and it's got pockets. So the roads are dead. There's nobody on there. There's a parking ban in our city. And I'm just trying to see exactly what's the best situation for us in regards to filming locations and how far we can actually go. Hoping and praying. You know what would be crazy? This is the hill that I'm talking about. Right here. And this is the hill that goes down and up. Maybe I can get a good shot. I'm actually happy that the GoPro is waterproof. Here you go. It's crazy. Yeah, I don't wish trying to do anything on this road, especially go up it, if you do not have one of those four-wheel drive cars. The fact that I'm actually contemplating sledding down this hill means that I have a death wish. Either that or I just want to entertain you guys, which is probably not the smartest thing in the world. I had to go all the way back to the house because once I got down to the bottom of the hill, I wanted to get some video and I noticed my phone wasn't there. So I walk all the way up the top of the hill with that sled and look around for my phone. Where do I find it? In my pocket. Hey, remember at the beginning of the video when I said, oh, I'm so glad because this has pockets? It's got pockets.
Piss right now. And also I got stopped to shovel.
Yep, going back out again. What? No, I can do it.
So I don't mind helping out people. It's just, you know, hey, let me know before I leave the first time. There has been zero sun whatsoever, so I don't even know what time it is. I see somebody walking all the way in the center of the road. Is it really bad down there?
Like this.
Okay. Are you in there? Oh shit.
Since this place looks like the apocalypse, why not go out and vlog? And then while you're vlogging, go to the store and pick up energy drinks and junk food. Because, you know, that's a smart idea, right? Last time I actually walked this long in a blizzard to get food or whatever it was, I think New Year's Eve day of 2006. And we were in Albuquerque, New Mexico, me and my brother, and I was filming my first documentary. Actually, it was my first ever vlog documentary. And we were traveling from San Diego all the way to Boston. So it's kind of funny that like 10 years ago, I was doing this, and hopefully that's actually also funny because that's one of the next projects I'm going to be doing, where I'm trying to put together that old movie from scratch with all the raw video, because I used a lot of copyrighted content, and that was before YouTube allowed people to make money from it. So that was about 2007. So same year, I guess, Philip DeFranco joined YouTube, so go figure that one out. Thank you. It's gonna be an interesting walk. I'm gonna be going that way. All right, I'm about to do something that's really clever or really stupid, because I'm about to take a shortcut to my home, and it involves going through the woods. All right, I think we're on the right path. There's a, I think, park over there. You got the stream right there. If we just follow this, yeah, what could go wrong, huh? But hey, guess it's a good adventure for us. Oh wow, look at all this wide open space. All right, torn down woods and branches. It's a good sign. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please leave a like and a comment, and tell me if I'm crazy going up the mountain with all these woods in the darkness. What are the chances that I may have gotten hurt or lost?